This is an example of how to graph solutions of systems of linear equations using the Desmos graphing calculator. So you look at the system of equations given. In this case, I have y equals 3/5 x plus 10 and y minus 7 equals 2 times x plus 5. And then I go ahead into my Desmos calculator and type in y equals 3/5. So now, if I don't know how to get a fraction, I have to remember fractions are division. So I'm going to use my toolbar here, click divide, put 5. Now I have to be careful. If I type in x, it's not a line anymore. The way that is, I have to make sure that I press the arrow to the right. 3/5 x plus 10 gives me my first line. Then I write my second line, y minus 7 equals 2. I can type in parentheses or I can use my toolbar again, parentheses, x plus 5, close my parentheses, and then I'm looking for where my lines intersect. So I would write down the solution of -5, 7 in my draw it slide. So if I'm using my draw tool on Word and I want to write it, I'm just going to write -5, 7, and you will have a space to write your solution. So my other example, I have 6x equals 4x plus 42 and -2x plus 3y equals -9, or 6y, sorry. 6y equals 4x plus 42, -2x plus 3y equals -9. Now I'm going to take a look at what I've got, get rid of my toolbar, and I'm looking, I drag down, I drag up, I can zoom out to see these lines are parallel, so there is no solution. I'm going to write down no solution. No. It will let me, apparently not. Let me use my draw tool. No solution. So if you don't see a solution, you put no solution. If you do see where they intersect, you find the coordinates and you write down the coordinates. Remember to type in to Desmos exactly what you see. Fractions, positive negatives, equals, and parentheses all must get in there. Otherwise, you will not get to the correct answer. So make sure that you are typing in faithfully exactly what you see in the Desmos slide.